Mieto Benawa Jim Yema the month of March. And near Forest Studio. Plumbers Commando. Yenya Moses amazing. Doto Nasira.
Yo, Mausi. Never or Maga, fish pond blue road, hotel Macbeth, Ado, swimming pool.
Wisdom, Anyara Doga, Lucido, some could have plumber, Napa Doro, Alabaga, Baba, Dahapia. Avato, you,
but Beneman Moses amazing now with Donny, but Power, a Gavier plumber, Mac Banny, not for no, swimming pool, allo, fish pony.
I must say my Vaco, Moses amazing, Koyomo, Yantara Manyola, Tabala Jansi, he la upload back a modo duato, you are a big ice to
Mausi, Moses amazing plumbing and construction worker, Wufuga, le plumber door, the shadow, power door about domestic plumbing, in your haunted door about toilet, sink, washing basin, shower, in a Pura Rokyoji show, jacuzzi, Plabubuao, like commercial plumbing, Papagia, on a water pump installation, water mechanization, extension, and also into biodigester toilet installation. Moses Amazing is now a household name in the country. Follow them on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Moses Amazing, the Plumbers Commando. Boboe Mausi, Wofia Domutu, Planomo, Omada Reclamio, Yella Domo Babajiha, was a dom Abdodio, Yonia top quality, Yella Dofia Babajiha, Ofiani Manie, Manueva, over Dosh of your Catania first class, let you come a good Alabano Dugua, certificate your honor in your MVTI, telephone 0246 406 295 or 0508 450 568.
Moses Amazing Plumbing and Construction Works.
Gone are the days, no more swimming pool or fish pond.
Moses Amazing Plumbing and Construction Works.
Affordable but top quality.
Moses Amazing Plumbing and Construction Works.
Yako about retro, like domestic and commercial plumbing Papaji.
Moses Amazing.
Plumbers Commando.
Yenya plumber over Commando. Yenya Moses Amazing. Yema ho atema tiapo match me amele nya wo de na o ma wo na no clue. Bye bye.